Hey Scott, this is Uncle Jeff and Uncle Steve. We're giving you a construction update. It's Tuesday the 21st, and Eddie and his crew are here. They've been scraping for 2 days, and this is the front room. We've got stuff cleared out. This is our storage area, kinda, for the boxes. You can see they just came and towed the car away, and we've got the boat there, and Steve's going to take that over to get tires and lighting and stuff. But so we're in here. We've got my office was moved out, and so we put that back in Steve's bedroom. This is Steve's computer room. Steve's moved half of this stuff out, actually 3/4 of it, and got the stuff off the walls. The guys are outside scraping. Was on the wallpaper underneath, so we got to put that door back on. They're going to steam off the wallpaper. We've got been dumpster diving and been begging for boxes, and so we've got boxes here all stacked up, and so Steve's filling these up with stuff. I'm trying to take a trip every day over to the storage unit. Again, back in here. Bathroom we haven't touched. It's okay. But here we're in the blue room. We got some of the windows open, and you can see they're sanding. See out there, we've got all the furniture off so that they can power wash, and they're actually sanding the stuff here on the deck, and it's got a lot of the area, just needed some work. We're going to paint the blue room in here. We've got Steve's bedroom is kind of our office now. We've got the computer system. These are all the printers, fax, scanner. Moved little thing in here. Took the chair out. We've got my laptop and the phone and the external drive, and Steve's computer, small monitor, but the Dell, all the other ones are in storage. This is outside. And then a crash in here. And then next week they're going to paint in here. You can see they're out there scraping, sanding all the windows and everything. So doing a lot of work. Sounds like a construction site. Just wanted to give you the update, and as we get more stuff done, we'll let you know. Talk to you later. Bye.